guys, welcome back. In the series of learning programming in C, in the previous videos, we have already discussed about data types completely. We have learned about what is data type, the classification of data types, the range of data types, about modifiers, format specifiers, and we have learned many things about data types. You can also check out the link of all these previous videos in the description box. Well, in today's video, we are going to start with operators in C. So we will discuss about what is operator and how to use these operators, the types of operators, purpose of operators, and then we'll also see the usage of operators with programming examples and many more things part by part. So those who are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get the notifications of all the new videos. So let us talk about operators. So first of all, we have to know what is an operator. So operator is nothing but a symbol. Operator is nothing but a symbol that performs a variety of operations. So we have seen many operators. Say we have seen the operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. All these are some general purpose operators that what we know. Generally in the mathematical operations we have seen this. But there are still many more operators that what we use in programming. So basically operator is a symbol that performs a particular operation. Then how it is going to perform the operation? It is going to perform the operation on variables and constants. So we have discussed about variables and constants in the previous videos. Please do check out the link of these videos in the description box. And I'll just tell you one more thing. Please watch the videos till the end. Don't skip a small bit also, because we will be discussing many small informations bit by bit, which will be a link to the next topic that what we are going to learn in the future. And I just want you people to put your queries in the comment box so that I can get to know what sort of doubts you have and how I can clear your doubts. So you can just feel free to write your doubts in the comment box, and I'm ready to answer to your queries. Well, we'll get back to this. So here I said operator is a symbol that is going to perform some operation on variables and constants. And these variables and constants, it can be some values that what we are going to pass. And we call those variables and constants as operands. So what is an operand or what are operands? Operands are basically input that what we are going to provide to perform a particular operation using operators. So let us discuss about this operator and operators with a small example. So let's see a small example to explain what is operator and what are operands. So I'll just write 5 plus 5. So here plus is the operator and 5 and this 5, they are called as operands. So operands are nothing but data, the input that what we are going to provide, the inputs. Let me give you one more example. I just say 2 plus a. So here I just gave the actual value itself, but here I am just passing through a variable where a is a variable which may hold some value and you have a constant. So as I said, the operator operates on variable and constants. So operator operates on variable and constant. So you have a constant here and a variable. So I can just say this is the symbol that is performing the addition operation, and 2 and a, that what we are going to provide to perform this addition operation, they are called as operands. So here you have the straight value itself. So plus is the operator, 5 and again 5 or any value, it may be 15. They are called as operands. And one more example. This is first example. This is second example. Here you have the constant value and a variable that is holding some value. And I say 2 plus a means plus is the symbol that is performing addition operation and 2 and a acting as operands. And this complete combination of operator and operands, we call it as expression. And well, this is a very simple expression. You can have some complex expression. So I can just say 2 into a plus b. This is an expression where you have the plus which performs addition, you have asterisk which performs multiplication, and you have a constant value, you have two variables. So asterisk and plus, they are operators. They are the operators. 2a, b, they are called as operands. And this complete combination of operators and operands, we call them as the expression. So let's talk about the types of operators. So how to classify the operators? We can classify the operators based on the operands that what we use, based on the inputs that what we are going to provide. So let's see the classification of the operators based on operands. So types of operators. See, operators which are classified based on operands, that is inputs that what we are going to provide. So you can have three types of operators based on the number of operands that what we give. Unary, binary and ternary operators. Uni means single, bi means 2, ternary means 3. So unary operators are the operators which operate on one operand. It operates on one operand. Minimum one operand. Whereas binary operators are operators which operate on minimum 2 operands. It can be more than that also. Bi means 2 operands, minimum 2 operands. Then ternary. Ternary means 3. It is going to operate on 3 operands. So this is what with the unary, binary and ternary operators. Uni means 1 operand, binary means 2 operands and ternary means 3 operands. So let's talk about the unary operators. As I said, unary operator operates on single operand. So one input is sufficient for these operators. So which are all those operators which comes under this category? Let us see now. So you have the NOT symbol, which is logical NOT. So logical NOT, it is nothing but it is going to act as inverter. So when you provide the Boolean values like true, when I say not of that true value, I'll get false. And the same way, not of false, I get true. So it is acting like Boolean values. Then and, we have seen this. It is like address operator and we call it as ampersand operator. Then we have this tilde symbol which is treated as to perform ones complement, converting zeros to ones and ones to 0. So 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. And well, this one not is like converting true to false and false to true. Then we have this asterisk symbol, but this asterisk, when it is treated as the unary operator, we call them as pointer dereference. To create pointers, to deal with pointers, we use this. Well, in the next coming videos and all, we'll talk about these pointers and all. Then plus, it is unary plus to represent the positive numbers. So it is unary plus. Then usually we don't use the plus sign. The positive numbers, when it is not having any signs, it will be treated as positive numbers. Minus we use. So we say unary minus to represent the negative values. Then plus plus. It is increment operator. By default, it increments the value by 1. How to use that? Then the usage of all these operators we'll see with many examples. Minus minus, it is decrement operator. It increments the value by 1, whereas this decrement decrements the value by 1. So this is what with the unary operators. But in the next part of the operators topic, we will see all these operators with examples and programming example itself. We will see, and we will have a dry run of all the programs, the usage of all these operators. So let's talk about the classification of binary operators. So you have many operators here, and you also have the list of sub-operators under each and every category here. So we have arithmetic operators, which performs arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and one extra operator we have which performs the modulus operation, which finds out the remainder. So we'll see to that. Relational operators, which are used to compare the values. You have greater than, lesser than, greater than equal to, lesser than equal to, double equals to, not equal to. So as I said, you have a list of operators for each and every category. So we have to see to that. Logical operators, which perform some logical operations like and, or, and, not. Then you have assignment operator, equal to operator, which always assigns a value from the right hand side to left hand side. Then bitwise operators, which operates on bits, zeros and ones. How it is going to perform? So it is going to perform bitwise and bitwise, or not bitwise, exclusive, or all those things, operations we need to see under this category. Then some shorthand operators we have which can enhance the functionality of our program. We can perform some operations very quickly. So which are those? We'll see to that. Then you have some special operators also. So we'll see to that. So these are all the list of all the binary operators. By says two operands. Minimum 2 operands which is required to perform this operation. So this is what with the binary operators. And ternary operator, the third category, which is individual operation. So we have to see to that, which uses 3 operands. Well, that's all for today's video. In the next coming videos, we will see the examples of all these operators in detail. So stay tuned to my channel. Those who have not subscribed, please immediately subscribe to my channel. So still we have to get into many more topics. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.